Seamless design hides radiators perfectly. High-density MDF base, moisture-proof and anti-warping. 19 cm wide top platform becomes a mini display zone. Baseboard hugs walls seamlessly. Elevates your home, tidy and premium. Strip vents offer 30% better heat dissipation versus mesh. 4-layer UV rolling coating process. More eco-friendly and uniform than spraying. Moisture-proof, sealed on all surfaces. 2 styles, horizontal or vertical stripes. 2 color options available. For sizes fit mainstream layouts. Hide clutter, retain cozy warmth.